Hi everyone, this is Joe. We are doing the shipment to our clients. As you see that epidemic situation is very serious at the China cities. So for the container driver, they need to do the PCR test, and there is the seatbelt for them. They cannot go anywhere, and it's very safety for the shipment. And in south of China now, we are very confident to tell you that our city and our supply chain is very stable and safety to support the global. We know that Shanghai has some COVID cases happened, and they locked down for some days. But in our city, it's very high efficient feedback, and our supply chain is very confident to support you. And now our company is located in south of China, Guangdong, the best GDP province in China at the past 35 years. I wish you enjoy and look forward to meeting you in your days.